When you look at a daily schedule like this, packed with 5 a.m. wake-ups, ice baths, and extreme tasks, discipline feels like a miserable chore. Treating your day like a grueling endurance test is a guaranteed way to exhaust yourself. When you associate daily habits with pain, you inevitably burn out and drop them altogether. I am going to show you how to build a highly simplified, custom daily routine that is actually enjoyable, so that being inconsistent becomes the hard part. To build this system right now, all you need is a pen and a blank piece of paper. True discipline is a targeted system of prioritizing yourself, the daily choice to do the specific things that make you better. Step 1. Open that notebook and write the words "prioritize myself" right at the top of the page. This header serves as a filter for the habits you're about to list. If a task doesn't directly help you improve, it has no place on this page. Draw 3 columns labeled mind, body, and spirit. Add manageable actions to each. Meditate and read under mind, work out and water for body, and pray or craft for spirit. Cap this list at exactly 6 items total to avoid morning overwhelm. Before we move on, put these tasks through the dread test. Look at your list, and if any single item fills you with immediate misery, downgrade or replace it right now. A sustainable routine walks a fine line. It has to challenge you enough to spark growth while staying enjoyable enough that you can execute it without mental resistance. You will have low-energy days. Expecting peak performance 365 days a year is unrealistic and sets you up for failure. Next to your list, write down your new operational rule. Always put my best foot forward. Perfection is no longer the metric. Look at this battery indicator representing your daily energy capacity. Some days you wake up hovering in the red at just 20. But if you apply that entire 20% to your tasks, you have fully satisfied your daily discipline. Doing a 5-minute stretch instead of a full hour at the gym is always a superior choice to skipping the movement entirely. Discipline is a choice you make. It is the simple, active decision to show up and give whatever effort you have available on that specific day. If you only focus on a distant, idealized destination, doing the daily work required to get there will quickly feel meaningless. To fix this, look at your core actions and draw 7 small checkboxes next to each one to track your week. The physical act of marking off those boxes shifts your focus to the process. A trophy means nothing if it is handed to you. The hours of effort are what actually give the achievement its value. The friction, setbacks, and growth you experience while tracking this daily progress are the meaningful rewards of life. You stop chasing an arbitrary finish line and start finding deep fulfillment in the steady accumulation of checked boxes. Take a final look at your paper. You have built a fully personalized, functional vehicle designed to take you from where you are to where you want to be. In this side-by-side comparison, the chaotic, stressful routines you used to fear stand in stark contrast to your new, achievable checklist. Take this document and tape it somewhere inescapable, like your bathroom mirror or your desk, ensuring you see it every morning. Your day 1 begins tomorrow. Head down to the comments and share the specific actions you chose for your list. Looking back at weeks of sustained, consistent progress provides the internal proof you need to keep on showing up for yourself.